To customize Always On Display in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, if we open settings and go into AOD options, we can find Always On Display right here, but on its own, it doesn't offer much of the customization options, only a navbar and behavior when it should show up. So to fully customize it, first we'll need to access the themes. So open Galaxy themes right here in the settings, and then it may ask you to log into your account. When it's ready, click on AODs, and after that scroll all the way down to the bottom to find free AODs. Select whichever one you like, then download it and apply it, and that way you'll be able to customize your Always On Display. Now if we go back inside the settings and the lock screen and AOD, we can see a new custom Always On Display. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.